Welcome to Hosterlo GFX. In this video, you will learn how to use the perspective effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. I will be placing this image on that wall. Here's what you need to do. Start by creating a new layer. Then go to the Filters tab and select Vanishing Point. Use the Perspective Grid tool to select the area where you want to apply the perspective effect. Next, cut out the design that you intend to place on the wall. Go back to the Filters menu and choose Vanishing Point again. Paste the design into the perspective grid you created earlier. Adjust the design according to your preferences. Making sure it fits seamlessly into the perspective. And that's it.